Hi, and welcome to Pro Tip Tuesday. This week, I'm going to help you save a little money when it's time to square up your quilt blocks. So I want to share with you today how I've learned to square up my quilt blocks without having the extra special ruler in every single size. So the first one I want to show you is if your block has a single or a center seam right down the middle, all you need to do to square this block up is to take your desired width, whatever your pattern is calling for, the width of the square, and divide that by 2. Then all you need to do is line your ruler up with this line and cut off any excess. So if I wanted my block to be 6.5 inches, half of that would be 3.25 inches. So I would line my ruler up with 3.25 inches, and then I would cut off anything that was extra on the side. Then all I would do is turn it, do this side, turn it again, do the third side, and turn it one more time to cut up the fourth. That's all it is. You don't need a fancy ruler, just a little math. Now I know what you're saying, Summer, not every block we make has a center seam, and you're absolutely right. So I have one of those for you here too, and I have a little math for you for this as well. So this is what I call a framed square, and as you can see, this does not have a center seam. So what I would do with this block is I would measure the center portion of the block, and I would subtract that from the desired width of the overall block. Once you have that number, then all you need to do is divide it by 2. Then that gives you what you need to have around the block. So let's say I had 2 inches left over, that these strips on the outside needed to be 2 inches wide. I would line my ruler up along this seam right here, all the way down, and then I would cut off the excess, and then I would just rotate the block like we did before. So I know that sometimes it's hard to hear math formulas and to be able to remember them, so I did write it down for you so that you can write it down. So here you are. You take the desired width of your overall block, subtract the center width of your block, and divide it by 2. So I hope that that will be a help for you and will save you some money. So that's it for this week's Pro Tip Tuesday. Join me over on Facebook. I'm on Facebook at Summerly Quilts, and every Thursday I have a Loose Threads Thursday live stream, and I would love to see you there. I'm often doing a tutorial or showing what I'm working on. This week, I'm going to be showing my great-grandmother and my grandmother's quilt tops. So that's going to be a lot of fun, and I hope to see you there. Have a great day.